you get another shade. This is the full coverage concealer. It can literally hide my tattoos. This is how the shade looks like. The swatch looks so pretty. So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and today's video is a cuffs and lashes makeup haul. I am super excited about today's video because I always wanted to try out cuffs and lashes products. After all, they are so affordable and the brand is by a YouTuber herself. I love her so much. Nidhi Katiyar is such an amazing content creator, and all this while I was waiting for some kind of offer, some kind of combo and sale, and finally it happened before Diwali. And even today I can see it on their website. There is a combo sale going on where you get 9 products at 1200, which technically means that each product costed me only 133 rupees. I'm gonna link this combo down below so that you can purchase it too, because all the products are bomb. I have just filmed one video while I was doing my makeup and I've tried and tested all the products. They are absolutely beautiful. I do not have any kind of second thoughts about a single product. My first impression was perfect, and I really think that even from now on I'm gonna try more of cuffs and lashes products. So yeah, talk too much without much blabbering. Let's get started with today's cuffs and lashes haul. The MRP of this combo is 2200 and it's like flat 1000, and you get all of this at 1200 only. I don't know how and why, but yeah, a sale is a sale and I really am so happy of this purchase. I'm gonna put the link in the description for this particular combo and also the cuffs and lashes website in case you're interested. As you can see, so many products in this particular combo. So if you're like a beginner and you don't have like a lot of makeup, this is your time to ace it, to build your makeup collection, because honestly there's like a blush, a contour, highlighter, there's lipstick, there's everything that you can think of except for a concealer or a mascara and things like that. But then this is so affordable that I still can't believe that I got it at 1200. Now let's start talking about the individual products. The first one being my favorite lipstick ever. This is the Cuffs and Lashes matte 5-in-1 lipstick. I think Renee introduced this concept of one lipstick with 5 different shades like stacked. जैसे बचपन में razors होते थे ना कि you just push this one up and bring this up, फिर इसको ऐसे नीचे डाल के you get another shade. So this is just like that. I always used to lose that one pencil और मेरा पूरा खराब हो जाता था इसके लिए. I really hope that I don't lose this because honestly the cap keeps opening up continuously. So this is not greatly travel friendly. You get a box like this, so always keep this inside the box and then you will be totally like free from any kind of hassle. Otherwise, if you keep this as it is in your bag, I'm pretty sure that this is gonna open up and the whole lipstick is gonna be a mess. It टूट जाएगा and then at the end of the day this won't really be able to push this one. If you lose one, the lipstick is gone. So make sure that you just handle this with care. Always keep this in a box after you're done with using it. The formula, the pigmentation, everything in this particular lipstick is top notch. As you can see, a full dedicated review will be up on this particular lipstick this week, I hope. So as you can see, this is like one swipe pigmentation, but when this dries up it's gonna be matte but not transfer proof matte. It just gives a very matte finish. The lipstick and the how it looks on your lips, it's very pretty, but at the end of the day this is not a transfer proof lipstick. So when you're eating something or if you're outside wearing a mask, this lipstick will fade in 3-4 hours. So you have to keep reapplying it, which is pretty obvious because bullet lipsticks are always like that. Their formulas are made in a way that I don't personally like, but the shades of this lipstick is something that I love. So what I personally do is I take this lipstick and use some talcum powder, blush or compact powder over this, and then the lipstick goes all transfer proof and matte, and I love using my bullet lipsticks this way. I'm just gonna apply a little As you can see, the shade is very pretty. I was just wearing this one only. I really hoped that they had given names to the shades. यहाँ पे लिखा होता तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता. This is more like a very brownish yet a very reddish kind of lipstick. I got the shade 1. So there were 2 shades in this lipstick and I picked the shade 1. I think there were more of reds. The MRP of this is $325, which is definitely not expensive for 5 lipsticks, but how I got it in the combo, I have no idea, because technically this whole lipstick costed me $133, which is like a great thing. So I'm just gonna send this ऐसे ऊपर. I hope you can see. This came out. And just the way we used to use our erasers and pencils, it's just the same thing, you know. This is the second shade. Just gonna swatch a bit. This is more like a very reddish yet peachish shade. I like all the shades and they are very pretty. They are very comfortable on the lips. I'm not gonna swatch all of them or show you because I have made like a dedicated video, as I told you already. So wait for it. This week it's coming. Till then, these 2 shades please. Now my next favorite thing in this combo is this Cuffs and Lashes Love 9 color eyeshadow palette. This is something which is so pretty. The palette is super pigmented. All the shades are so important. I really hope that they had like a mirror or like the shade names written, but it's okay. Of course, it's made in India. Very affordable palette. It's only for $350, and I think 9 color eyeshadow palettes for $350 is very hard to find. SFR eyeshadow palettes also available on Cuffs and Lashes. Those palettes are also for 200, 300 as much as I remember. I found it on Meesho for 200, so you can check those palettes as well. But not comparing, but these are, I think, much more pigmented than SFR. After all, it's more expensive than SFR. So this is the pigmentation and it's so pretty. This is the shade that I swatched, the middle one, as you can see. And here's like a shimmer. There are 2 shimmers, 1 glitter. Sorry, there are 3 shimmers, 1 glitter and others are matte. I personally love the matte shades more than the shimmers because I'm not a shimmer person. I do not use shimmer shades. This is 1 shimmer. This is another one. I think the Love palette has like the same theme, a very similar theme, and most of the shades are kind of, you know, relatable to me. This beige shade is something that I do not like in any palette, because if it's a 9 color, I would like all the shades to be super useful. Of course, the beige shade is needed, but at the end of the day, we all have this basic neutral shade. So maybe if you're a beginner, you would find this very useful, but I personally do not. I mean, that's definitely my perspective. So yeah, but this glitter, I'm really fond of glitter shades, and I have never seen a glitter like this, which is so smooth and so buttery again. And the swatch that you can see right here, I just dipped my finger once and this is how the swatch came out to be. Keeping all of this aside, can we talk about the packaging for some time, because it looks so pretty. Here's like love theme going on, and all the 9 color eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna pop a picture on the screen. There are a bunch of palettes to choose from. Handy dandy 9 color, all of them. There are a bunch of palettes to choose from, and I think all the palettes are perfect. By the way, this palette barely has any fallout. This is a very nice palette. However, the 4 color palette that I'm going to talk about is not that great in my opinion. But anyway, at the back there's like an ingredient list given, and of course mail, customer care number, the price, and it's gonna expire in 2024. So it's like a very beautiful palette. I do not have any other problem than the fact that the shimmers do not apply greatly with brushes, which is, I mean, a problem in all of the palettes. When it comes to fingers, the pigmentation is top notch in most of the palettes. You know, we can't expect so much in such an affordable price. The palette is a great one when the price point comes in, but since I had to be honest, I just told you that with brushes, the shimmers not great. Now talking about the handy dandy palettes. These palettes, first of all, their packaging. This packaging is so pretty. I've never seen such a pretty cute packaging and such a pretty color. The price of this palette is $2.99, but again I got it for $133 only. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart also, by the way. I forgot to mention this, but I don't think that you should get this in a single. You should definitely go for the combo instead of single things, because this itself is for 300 and in 1200 you get 9 products, so it's definitely like a steal. Yeah, I'm talking as if Cuffs and Lashes is my own brand, but once I fall in love with a brand, I don't know why I can't get over it. So this is called the Handy Dandy. The shade name is not mentioned here. I'm gonna mention the shade name on the screen. There were a bunch of shades to choose from. There was yellow, neutrals, reds, but I picked this one because I had no blues as such. No blues, turquoises and all of that. And I thought that it will just look pretty, and that is the only reason why I got this particular palette. I think that this palette is a very nice one. It does have fallouts here and there, but not that much. And the pigmentation, where do I show you this? Yeah, the pigmentation is also great. There are 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Okay, one is extra pigmented, one is a little less pigmented. Personally, I really like big eyeshadow palettes with a bunch of colors to choose from, so probably that is from where it's coming from. But at the end of the day, this is a beautiful palette on its own. If you are somebody who would like to get something like this in quads, you can definitely pick this up, because the pigmentation, the consistency, everything about this palette is perfect. The only thing that is not perfect is that it comes with a brush like this, and I have no idea what to do with this brush, because this is a paint brush. And at first I used to think that I can still make it work. I can use this as an eyeliner brush, but the bristles are very hard and it literally pricks me over here. I think this is some kind of defect, because there were many people who liked this brush for their eyeliners and all, but I think mine is a little defected and therefore it's kind of pricking me. Bad luck. Now let's talk about Cuffs and Lashes Cover Pots. This is the Makeup Base Plus Concealer. Its MRP is 300 again, and I don't really know why I have never used this before. I mean, this is the first time that I'm opening the packaging. This is how it looks like. It's a very small thing. Okay. This thing for 300, okay. This is the amount of product that you will get. It's 14 grams of products, and I have never used this before, so I can't really talk about it. I'm just gonna use it here a little bit. This is a concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. It can literally hide my tattoos. That's how full coverage it is. Perfect. This is how the shade looks like. It's a very proper full coverage concealer. If you are somebody who's searching for something that can hide their like proper pigmentation or their tattoos, then you can definitely get this cover pot. It is amazing. I got it in the shade 06 and I am literally stunned. I think I saw Nidhi Katiyar using this with a moisturizer so that it performs like a foundation, because it is very high coverage. This is like a very proper concealer. So to kind of use it as a makeup base, as your foundation as well, you can definitely add some moisturizer into it and then use it on your skin directly. But also I personally feel that it will definitely crease after some time, because even on my hand it doesn't feel that comfortable, so I have to mix some moisturizer with it before applying it, and I think that is why it's like a very stiff kind of cover pot. I scraped it with my nail and then applied it like this over here on my hand, so that's how stiff it is, and I think that is because you have to mix a moisturizer. Now, because we were talking about a concealer, let's talk about how to blend a concealer, which is this blender right here. I have used this so much. As you can see, the pretty purple color is gone by now because I love this blender. It is so squishy and it's not wet right now. When it's damp, it grows, and it is a beautiful blender. I love this so much, and I don't really need to blabber a lot because I have used this so much from Diwali till today, and therefore I think I really need to get another blender from Cuffs and Lashes. I had no idea that their blenders are this nice. I don't know why people don't talk about these brands more, and I have literally stopped using all my Vega blenders. This is the only blender that I'm using right now, not even kidding. So yeah, you can definitely give this a try if you're looking for a very nice blender. It gives you like a precision over here for your concealer. You can use this part for your foundation, and also like the slanting part now helps a lot when it comes to areas like these or your forehead. This is an amazing blender. You get 3 choices and you can pick any of the 3. I picked the purple one. Now, talk too much about the blender. Let's move on to the blush, contour and the highlight. This is how the boxes look like. I have used this and I've still kept the boxes because they are simply so pretty. After this video, I'm going to insert all of the products into these boxes and I'm going to keep them forever because it looks so pretty. Also because the products are not that sturdy. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But before that, I don't think that iska shade yahan pe likha hai. This is the Cupcake contour in the shade Sunkissed. I got a very wrong shade. I don't know how to explain. This is definitely not darker than my skin. This is like my skin tone, and yeah, if you're somebody who's very fair, this will look amazing on you because the formula is buttery smooth. Everything about this particular contour is beautiful, but the mistake is mine that I picked the wrong shade. I should have, kind of researched a little more to understand what my shade could be. But it's okay. I think I saw on the website Sunkissed and I was like, yeah, I should get Sunkissed out of nowhere. But yeah, this is how it looks like. The lid is not at all sturdy. This keeps moving here and there. It is not that sturdy and therefore I definitely have to keep the box. The price of this is $225. All of their prices are $225. The blush, highlight and also the contour. Now this was the contour. I got the wrong shade, so nothing to talk about. Blush is my favorite product here. I got the blush in the shade Double Talk. Their expiry is 2024, so I'm not going to talk about the expiry because before they get expired, we are going to end all the products as soon as possible. So let's not talk about the expiry, but this particular blush is my favorite. This is not very pigmented. This is just like the perfect kind of pigmentation, zyada nahi, kam nahi, and therefore when you just dip into your blush, dip the brush into your blush, you can directly touch it over here on your cheeks. This is my shade. This shade right over here is Double Talk, and yeah, I personally love this shade. I think I got my new favorite blush after the SFR Colors blush. Coming to the highlighter, I got the shade Frumptious, and I don't know why I got Frumptious. I think in the website it was looking very pretty. This is the first time I'm swatching it and it's so pigmented. I love pigmented highlighters. If you know me, and as you can see, I am a fan of highlighters. I cannot live without an highlighter. And this is how the shade looks like. The swatch looks so pretty. I think this is gonna be my new favorite highlighter. And yeah, the shade will look very pretty if you are of my skin tone or even darker. Even for light skin tone, I think this has like a very goldenish undertone and therefore it will look great on most of the Indian skin tones. Now our ninth and the last product is the Shy Styles Makeup Story Lock It, Forget It Natural Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Enriched with aloe vera, vitamin E, all day wear for all skin types, paraben free. The name was greatly long, but I don't know how this product performs. I have no idea. I have never used a proper setting spray. I have tried and tested those Huda Beauty fake products just because I wanted to make a Meesho video out of it, but आज तक मैंने कोई proper setting spray ना use ही नहीं किया, and therefore I have no idea if this works, if this doesn't work. It has a smell. It has Colin ka smell kya? I'm not well. I'm not getting the proper smell of things, and therefore, but I feel like this smells like Colin somehow. I'm just gonna spray this on my face. This is a beautiful spray, like the bottle at least. It is beautiful. The product was literally distributed in one spray very properly, and my makeup is set, guys. I mean, you wouldn't believe. I have used the Huda Beauty fake ones ना, so I know it's like very watery and यहाँ से ऐसे पानी 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 और droplet हो जाता है पूरे मुंह पे. But this is not that. This is a great setting spray probably, or maybe because I'm using a setting spray for the first time मेरे पास illusion हो रहा है. But I don't know. I personally feel that the makeup is in place for some reason. So yeah, you guys, those were the 9 products. I was so excited to try all of them, and this setting spray actually changed my mood because I have never tried one, and you can understand the excitement of trying new products. So yeah, all the products were already used because I made a video. I made a eyeshadow palette video and a lipstick video, and it's gonna come this week, so you have to wait for it. Please wait for it. And yeah, you guys, please make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what videos you wanna watch so that I can make it for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.